This type of hearing tends to be held in a room which looks less formal than the traditional courtroom. It may appear more like a general office or meeting room, and it's sometimes described as the judge's chambers, the place where the judge works. Nevertheless, it is still a court of law, and there will be a judge who will conduct the proceedings. In this type of hearing, the judge will be dressed in a business suit and not in robes. It's likely that the judge will hear several hearings of this type in the same day. When it's time for the judge to hear your case, the usher will direct you to the room from the waiting area.
Mr. Smith and Mrs. Jones, sir.
Good morning. So you are the claimant.
If you are the person who is bringing the case to court, you'll be known as the claimant.
And you are the defendant.
If you are the person who the case is against, you'll be known as the defendant.
Now,
The claimant and the defendant are also sometimes described as the parties to the case or the litigants.
We'll start by hearing the claimant's
The claimant or the defendant can choose to have a legal representative at the hearing. Alternatively, you may choose to present your own case to the court without legal representation.
To me that the schedule and price weren't.
The judge often leads the claimant and the defendant through the process.
I was keen that the standard of
They will be expected to have their case prepared, with all relevant facts, figures and paperwork available to hand that will support their case.
But of course I was expecting it to be delivered.
They will be expected to address the judge as Sir or Madam, and to behave courteously and not interrupt the judge or the other person when it is their turn to speak,
Can you just let her finish, please?
no matter how the other person might behave.
As I was saying, anyone would know.
The judge will ensure everything is correctly dealt with and that everyone behaves themselves.